Hey guys, it's Fusing here and I'm back. So today I'm going to be taking on a challenge. Was while you press the button, so it starts up. You can do anything but walk. You can live for 1 more year. A, that's a typo. It should be 1 more year, and B, but technically, if I can do whatever I want, I can extend my lifetime. So only 34%. I'm surprised nobody got that. It's okay actually. So I'm gonna go with good. Got to travel between different worlds of movies, video games, and cartoons. But you'll be hunted down by the government for the rest of your life and will always be in danger of their weapons. I will not press that button. %63%. Press the button! Stupid. Everything you've ever wanted is free for you, but you have to live in a college dorm for your entire life. I'm not even in college yet, so I'm going to press the button. You can materialize any anime character into your life and make them like you. But every time you add an anime to your life, you risk the chance of dematerializing your best friends by... no. You're incredibly... I've even seen that word before. Define. I'm exercising the compelling charm which inspires devotion. You're kidding me? I do that on a daily basis. Joke, lol. But 75% of the people you meet think you're gay. Yeah, I mean, there's absolutely nothing wrong with being homosexual. I ain't got anything against that. Why should they? You gain unlimited amount of money, but you can't use it in a transportation system ever again. Well, that means I'm going to be stuck because I can't even walk. No, I will not. It's 55% of people. Okay, that's just stupid. Okay, so that's bad, definitely. That's too... All these are too easy. When you finally gain more immortality will never age. You're reduced to a very young child of the opposite gender will be treated as such. No. See? 68%. It's actually quite a good dilemma. It's very good at drawing conclusions. You can physically, emotionally, and spiritually move any person you choose, but your thoughts always play out as a voice inside your head that can't be cured through therapy and is sentient. Define. So many words this is teaching me, lol. Sentient. Able to perceive or feel things. But the thing is, only I can hear them. My inner thoughts are in my head, not anyone else's. Well, like that anyway. What's the point? What's the problem here? See, most people use the same logic. It's a good dilemma for... No. That's actually quite a good dilemma. Built in world editor that so much more you can't modify any well, including yourself. Able to play video games, use the internet. Okay, that is an unfair trade-off. 60% of people. I'm unsure how to react to that. That's pretty much always what happens when I'm completely silent. Get everything else for, but you'll get hit in the face every day at 12 p.m. I'm gonna press the button because honestly, I get into a lot of fights at school. I'm used to being hit. But we won't talk about that, so anyway. Bad. Fit body, but you have to drink blood to make it that way. No. 61% people press the body. The body, what? Button. go to all of your favourite artists slash band concerts, but they always have no. Obviously, the 35% of people that did do it, like Britney Spears, baby. Well, I can already swim. So, why should I press the button? I can already swim. Absolutely. But vaccines, there are none. Well, that's not really a problem. They probably wouldn't need a vaccine, so press the button. Only 28%. Not having vaccines back then isn't a problem as long as they can get back. Facebook disappears, but I'm pressing the button. I don't even use Facebook. Opposite sex finds you really attractive, but you're homosexual. Well, what's the point then? Did I? What? Wow, I accidentally pressed the button. Well, screw me. Anyway. The power to see through clothes, but you can't turn it off. No. I'm not a perv. 43%. 14,654 people pressed the button. What is wrong with the world? Seriously? That many people who visit this website are pervs. Well, GG. Read people's minds. If you do, that person wants to like you forever. Well, that's a bit pointless. Be best to everyone like you, but your home internet speed is slow as shit. Well, it already is, so I'm gonna. It already is. My internet is incredibly slow. Only 36% of people actually did that one. Man, that's a good dilemma for. Tupac comes back. Tupac. Oh, rapper. No. Bad mama. Incredibly internet famous and influential. Nobody in family agrees you've done anything worthwhile in your life. You know, I just stopped living with my family, so. Yes, 71% of people. But most of those people plan to never not live with their family their entire life anyway, so. It's a good dilemma, though. It's quite interesting. All the people of every nation, race, and belief unite and create a near harmony, no conflict between nations, but nations will be there. Diseases, pollution, etc. Internet will be removed forever. I'm gonna press the button because I can still play Minecraft single player. I can kind of see where they're coming from. It's a good dilemma, though. Anything that takes me longer than 3 seconds to answer is a good dilemma. Bears never attack you, but rabbits will always attack you. Well, I hate rabbits anyway, so I'm going to press the buttons. You experience true love, but it only lasts 1 week. Nope. With yourself and every time you use your power, you gain a pound. Okay. I mean, gaining a pound of money, that's not a problem. Oh, 50-50. That's not 50%. That is greater than that. Oh, idiots! 1370-59 and 13962. Different numbers. World's best webcam, which makes 2D images 3D and has surround sound, but you don't use it on Omega when America is awake. What's Omega? This is just how I think I am the modern one. Omega. I've actually no idea what that is. So yeah. I mean, I'd love the world's best webcam. So it's good that it's got to without having to work hard, outdated and applicable moral and legal restrictions. I can never be religious of for long-term relations anymore. The world government anthem is a Nickelback. I don't even know why people hate Nickelback. I've never listened to it. Songs.
Never made it as a wise man.
Not really my type of music, but we can never be religious. Well, I'm not religious. Religion is a really thing I look down on. I hate to say that. For all the people who watch this video who are religious, no offense to you, but religion is the kind of thing I look down on for long-term relations anymore. Okay, not long-term. How about permanent? Deal with that. Toby's. It's a good dilemma for. Against the world of any video game for one day. Forced to enter a random terrible video game after that day after. I will not. Besides, what's random and terrible is all a matter of opinion. So yeah, I'm not even looking at percentages anymore. Be able to become a Super Saiyan. So no. Drive fast as you like without consequence. You feel great urge to pee whenever speeding by them. I will not press the button. It's a good dilemma for the ability to shapeshift into an animal of your choice, but once a day, the man with shapeshifting cannot control your actions. God damn it, never. Batman, but your parents are dead. No. For Christ's sake, I didn't press the button. What? Okay, family safety's got a problem with this. For whatever reason, family safety came with this laptop that I bought for rubbish internet. Ugh, that's stupid. Oh, but I've been recording to 12 minutes and 51 seconds. So I guess I'll just stop recording. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.